In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure a cluster using CLI commands. We will start by configuring the primary member first using the command set cluster config priority primary. Next, we will set up a SYC password to establish trust. Then we will choose the sync interfaces, which in this example are LAN 2 and LAN 3. There are many additional available parameters. Starting R811015, the sync interface is a bond. Now we are going to set it as a link state. Then we need to wait a few seconds. To monitor the status progress, we can run the command check primary cluster status. The configuration of the primary member takes approximately 30 seconds, which is now visible in the web UI. After the cluster is established, the old interfaces are not clustered. In this video, we are going to set a new interface to be a cluster. Let's configure the interface. We need to assign the IP of the interface and the cluster, and then select the cluster status. In this example, it is set to clustered. We can see now that LAN 5 is configured. Moving on to the secondary member, we first need to establish trust with the primary member by using the command set initiate trust with primary and providing the same parameters. Once the trust is established, we can start configuring the secondary member by running the set command while choosing priority secondary and selecting the sync interfaces. To monitor the status progress, we can run the command check secondary cluster status. This should take about a minute or two. Now, in the web UI, we can see that the secondary member is configured successfully.